This video/stream is sponsored by The Marketplace, powered by Trader Central. Recently launched, The Marketplace is a town square for traders to make a living out of the ecosystem. Currently, Havana is accessible, a digital playground where you play to earn tokens, which can be used for discounts on your funding plan or purchase perks to fast-track your challenge. Go to the link in the description and access The Marketplace.
Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll do the analysis from daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame and find out the current trend of the price action, present resistance and support levels. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. Today is Wednesday, 3rd August, and when we look at the economical events planned for today, at 4:15 AM we have high impact news planned for New Zealand dollar related currency pairs, followed by which we had medium impacting news. At 12 PM we have high impacting news for Swiss franc. At 12:45 PM we have again medium impacting news for euro related currency pairs. And at 7:30 PM we have high impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trade entries and exits. Let us continue our gold analysis. I am in daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs. As I had been mentioning in all my technical analysis, the current trend of the price is still in a very nice downtrend. And previously it went on a retracement. We can clearly notice that it has taken resistance on the previous bearish channel pattern resistance line, and currently we are noticing the candles to bounce back from this resistance line. As usual, we have noticed the shadows to project outside of this resistance line, but the whole candle have closed below this resistance line. So now we have the confirmation on the bearish trend reversal in daily time frame, and we know that this level between 1680 to 1665 is a very strong support, and this resistance levels between 1773 to 1745 are weaker than the support level. So we can expect the price action to easily break this support level and again to retrace back to retest on this support level of 1680. But before that it has to break previous support level of 1730 and then next level of support which is going to be around 1695. And also when we notice this midline of the bearish channel pattern, this had acted as a support line for the past price action, and also it had acted as a resistance line. So first the price action has to break this midline in order to continue trending on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for daily time frame. So these are all going to be the support levels for the daily time frame when the price action trends on the bearish side trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I'm drawing a support line or the channel pattern. Previously we have noticed the price action to trend on the bullish side within this bullish channel pattern, and it has broken this bullish channel pattern support line, and currently we are noticing the sharp fall on the bearish trend reversal in hourly time frame also. I am drawing one more support line to understand where could be the next support level. So previously we have noticed the price action to respect this support line, and currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side. First level of support is going to be the support line from the previous price action, and if this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be the support line from the daily time frame, and if this level is broken, we can expect it to trend down and take support on the midline of the daily time frame, and also we have the support level of 1712 at the same point. If this first level of support is not broken, we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are going to be the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend, taking support on this trend line or the support line, and it has given a breakout from this support line, and it is on a bearish side retracement for now. For the bullish trend it has done earlier. It is not a trend reversal, it is only a retracement on the bearish side. Wait for the price action to break this support line from the hourly time frame in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has found resistance at the level of 1785 and it is on a bearish side retracement. It is not a bearish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame also. Wait for the price action to break this higher time frame support level of 1741 in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it is still in a very nice bearish trend. It has taken resistance on the blue color resistance line from the 5 minutes time frame, and we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side. As long as this resistance line is not breached, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 5 minutes time frame. Here we have the hourly time frame support line over here. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend in 5 minutes time frame. If this resistance line is broken, we have the next level of resistance from the daily time frame, which is around the level of 1772. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.